Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing our Lola beauty box for December 2018. If you did not know, this box is $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products valued at $70 or more, and then you can earn points for reviewing the products and get free items with those points or even a free box. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, so when you get the box opened, it looks just like this. This month is a new addition. We got some packing peanuts. Not sure how I really feel about that. Styrofoam, not really great for the planet, but I will put my feelings aside about that. Okay, so right here we have the card with the theme. This month's theme is "It's the most wonderful time of the year," and then on the back, got packing peanuts flying. On the back, it'll have everything that we're getting in the box as well as the values. So, awesome. Let's go ahead and see what we get first. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is from Eslor. It is a chlorophyll lifting mask. I'm not sure what that really means. So it's a skin tightening mask. The dried film of natural milk proteins, plant extracts, seaweed extracts, and minerals tighten the skin, help enhance blood circulation, and help diminish fine lines. Recommended for oily, combination, and dry skin. Okay. Never heard of this brand. Not sure if it's cruelty-free. As always, if I don't know if it's cruelty-free at the time of filming, I will put down below if you're interested in that. Let's go ahead and see what this is. So here's what the packaging looks like. It's actually really pretty. It's like a metallic pink sort of color. Ooh. So it has a strong smell, like not a bad smell, but not my favorite smell. It's like green goo kind of in there. I will look into that and definitely try it out. Fine lines are definitely a problem as you get older, so definitely interested in trying this out. It is valued at $20, so not bad. First item. Okay, let's see. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Medusa's makeup. It is a lipstick in rosé. I want to say we got this last month in Yes Oh Yes, or yes, and it's this like horrible color that I'm not going to use. So now I have two of them. It's like, it looks almost white on camera, but it is like lavender. So yeah, kind of disappointed in that. I don't like this color. And it's not just like a preference thing. I just don't think this is a color that will look good on very many skin tones. Like, I can't think of anyone who would look good in like a almost white lipstick. It's not even on my card. Okay, well maybe this was just bonus. Maybe I can't remember which box I got this from, but anyway, I have another one, so that'll probably go into a giveaway. So the next thing I'm pulling out is Ecco Bella Soft Eyeliner Pencil in royal blue. I don't really wear a lot of colored eyeliner other than I just wear black mostly. But I will go ahead and swatch this. I don't know if it's cruelty-free. I will say Lola, most of their stuff tends to be cruelty-free. I can't think of any time I got something that wasn't. It's not, it says it's soft, but it's not really the softest I've used. It's pretty hard. There's the color. It's just a blue. It's not super, super deep either in the color. The Ecco Bella Soft Eyeliner Pencil is valued at $17.95. All right, let's see what we have next. So maybe that Medusa's thing was bonus because I'm seeing 5 things on here, and there's actually 6 products in here. So maybe they threw it in here as like a Christmas extra. Anyway, so the next thing I'm pulling out is a brush. This is from Pear Beauty. It is a M64 brush. So it's saying it's for highlighter, setting powder, blush, bronzer, or contour. It's kind of small, but maybe it could be for contour. I don't know. It's just a brush. Not mad about it. I like brushes. I really like the color of it. It's like a really nice pink, so, and it feels pretty soft. So never heard of the brand, but excited to have another brush as always. And that brush is valued at $24. Seems a little bit much for a basic brush, but that's what they're saying. So the next thing I have is a lipstick from Real Her. There's that. It is in the shade Be Brave. I do have a lipstick from them. I want to say I got it in a FabFitFun or something. Can't remember exactly where, but it's a red and it's pretty nice. And this looks more like a coral color, just looking at the swatch on the packaging, and I believe it's cruelty free. Oh, so it's a metallic. I'm not hugely into metallics, but maybe this will be the one that changes my mind. Let's go ahead and give her a swatch. It actually is sort of a pretty metallic. So there it is, really shiny. I guess if I'm gonna do a metallic, I'd prefer a like more muted one. So I definitely will give this a try now that I've opened it up and swatched it. Feels pretty nice on the skin. So there's that, and that is valued at $21. Again, seems a bit much for a lipstick, but there we go. Okay, one more thing. So this is a palette from Beauty Creations. It's called Esmerelda 2. And the packaging is kind of Christmassy. Like, it's got the red and green up there, so that's kind of cute. Seems like a fun palette. A lot of different colors in there, so I will go ahead and swatch a few of the shades for you just so we can get a feel for them. So this actually doesn't seem so bad. Even those really, really light colors are showing up and they're matte. The shimmers are obviously, those two on the bottom there, they're pretty pigmented, which is pretty common in shimmer eyeshadow. I have like 4 palettes from them, 3 maybe, and I actually really like them. There's that. That's valued at $11.99, so not a bad price for a palette. Let's go ahead and get a value real quick of this box for you. So with the bonus lipstick in there that's not on the card, the value of this box is $106.94, so not bad at all. I think I'm most excited with the palette. I like the brush a lot too. The lipstick I'm interested to play around with. Not really a fan of blue eyeliner personally, and this one just didn't feel like the best quality in my opinion. The bonus lipstick, really hate it, honestly. And then the mask, not mad about that either. So overall, pretty good box, really good value, $106, and you pay $21. Now, what did you guys think? Do you guys get this box? Do you like this box? I would love to hear your comments on whether you like this box, whether you think this box is worth the value down below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.